Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good day to the judge. We are from the SEDULITY teams from KOLEJ MATRIKULASI KEDAH. Our guidance is Puan Siti Munirah. I am Ali Sufia, the first presenter. I will presenting the introduction, objective, and the mission of our rover. Our rover called SEDULITY. SEDULITY means is diligent or industriousness. For the introduction, also one of the terrestrial planets we have discovered the most in the solar system. Starting from 1960, there are several attempts to reach this red planet using space probe and satellite. These important events such as NASA Mariner program and NASA Viking program have contributed huge progress in Mars until now. NASA found that andesite, which known as volcanic rock in Mars, contains a vast amount of quartz, which requires the presence of water during information. The Curiosity, which the first car-sized rover, successfully landed on Mars. It found several areas where contained a lot of round and small pebbles in the north rim of Gale crater. This implies that the stone traveled long distance in liquid water and slowly become smooth over time to form pebbles. But our rover have different ideas and new technology to gain more information from this research. Now, let's look to objective of our rover. First is to discover the source of human necessities through closer inspection by rover. Second is to collect statistics from the unstable climate and phenomena in Mars. The third is to gather details of geographic features near the landing site. Let's move to mission of our rover. First is continue to investigate future potential of life of human being in Mars. Second is discover the past living life appeared in Mars. Third is investigate the details of climate in Martian environment. The fourth is aid to discover the true history and evolution of Mars. Last but not least, enhance Malaysia progress for space exploration in the future.
Hi everyone, I'm Lim Han Chen, the second presenter of the Mars SEDULITY team. First, I'm going to explain about the design and constructions of this special rover. This rover has a length of 3 meters, width of 2 meters, and height of 2 meters. The estimated lifespan of this rover is 100 Martian days, while its approximate mass is 650 kilograms. Now, let us just proceed to introduce you about the parts of SEDULITY rover. First, the outermost shell of SEDULITY rover is made out of aluminium that protects the internal components of the rover. The reason why we choose aluminium is because it is durable and light compared to other metals. Besides that, the body of the rover is covered with a layer of heat shield, which serves as the secondary protection of the rover towards the harsh conditions of Martian weather. There are 6 wheels in SEDULITY. The 6 wheels are all made up of aluminium because aluminium increases inductivity in colder temperatures, which this property suits the Martian temperature, so the wheel will last longer. Besides that, the tread pattern of wheels is also close to each other for better traction towards the Martian ground. Now, I'm going to introduce you the scientific instruments present in SEDULITY rover. There are 2 identical rover computers named Coordination Computing Instrument (CCI) in the rover. One of them serves as the main computer, while another of them serves as the backup. The primary computer can be switched if one of them has technical problems to function. Besides that, the processors fixed into the CCI are also extremely tolerant to temperature swings and radiation. Robotic arm containing scientific instruments including Sherlock, air dust removal tool, coring drill, and a ground contact sensor is able to bend 180 degrees vertically. The sample storage system, which is made up of many cylindrical tubes, are tasked to collect Martian rock samples for future return to Earth and further investigations. For power source, the multi-mission radioisotope thermoelectric generator, which uses radioactive decay of plutonium-238, is also used to generate heat energy and electrical power. Due to its inconsistency and instability to generate high heat energy, solar panel is also used. There are 3 antennas fixed on the SEDULITY rover for communication use. The first one is the ultra-high frequency antenna. The ultra-high frequency antenna uses orbiting satellite to relay messages to Earth. This ensures a stronger signal to be received and transmitted. The second one is the high-gain antenna. Something makes it different with the ultra-high frequency antenna is that it can communicate directly to and from Earth. The small antennas are combined together to form a larger surface area antenna so that a strong signal can be received and transmitted. The low-gain antenna serves as the backup component of receiving signals from Earth at low rate. The hazard detection cameras are basically used to avoid obstacles on the uneven Martian surface so accidents won't happen easily. The panoramic and topography camera is used to conduct analysis of the geological structures of the uneven Martian surface and construct topography maps for the reference of scientists. It can also take photos of the 360-degree panoramic view and available to zoom in and observe small tiny objects. Sherlock is one of the most important scientific instruments present in the SEDULITY rover, as it is able to detect organic compounds. It is assisted by the Watson camera, which is able to produce colors on image. Through this process, the history since the rocks formed and the potential biosignatures preserved on the Martian rocks can be founded. The Mars ground penetrating radar is able to estimate the nature of the material and reveals image of the underneath hidden layers. Besides that, it can also detect the presence of water and ice hidden beneath the Mars surface. This meteorological measuring instrument is present on the SEDULITY rover too. It is a climate monitoring system consisting of 5 different sensors, including air temperature sensors, air humidity sensors, air pressure sensors, wind and dust sensors, and radiation assessment sensors. These sensors are able to provide daily weather report for the prediction and research by climatologists in the future. There are 2 pairs of lamps which is fixed respectively in the front and at the back of the SEDULITY rover. Besides that, a lamp light is also present in SEDULITY rover.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.